Welcome back to another rigged recap. 3 lessons today. Count them. 1, 2, 3. First, volume is what you want. Volume at rigged equals Wall Street participation. You're at 110% early in the session. Before the first hour is over, it's going to be good to trade, and today was excellent. We are looking at 212 CPI day. The volume tailed off towards the end of the session, but it started out hot and there were great trades. We go back, let's look at yesterday, 211, nightmare mode. This is terrible price action, okay? That is not great. We go to 210, nightmare mode, doesn't even sniff 100%, and this is just pure abysmal action on SPY. Up to the blue, up to the strike, back to the blue, flat line. So lesson 1 is volume at rigged equals the number of high, big money option trades detected, which means Wall Street is trading the session. And when Wall Street is trading the session, the robot algos are not in total control. And you and I and everyone else watching this can copy trade Wall Street and win. That's what we're here for. Second, CPI. We opened super stinking low today, but guess what? It doesn't matter. Let's go over to the chart right now and just look at it. This is the pre-market CPI candle. CPI came in hot, eggs are more expensive, bird flu, this and that, and what a nuke. This is the 3-minute, and you're getting $5.90, 1.12% down, right? But what happens? You hit the 522 strike in the pre-market. We open 522.35, and it just goes up from there. It closes the entire gap, right? Just ridiculous. Stocks only go up. Thank you, Trump, for ending the war in Ukraine. Whatever you want to call it, the important thing here is we don't want to pay too much attention to what happens before New York hours open. We are focused on intraday and how to make the most during the session. If you keep watching the video, you're going to see all the secrets using rigged AI. And last and third, and most importantly, check trade exit continues to crush it. We're starting on Q, okay? You're $3.41 above the blue line. That is very high. You're looking for bulls at the blue to +2 or after a 1+ strike nuke. Now, you don't get it right here, okay? It doesn't happen. We don't get an alert. But this is 2.38. And that is an absolutely perfect trade because you get 1, 2, 3 strikes. Hits the red, pulls back down. This is late, and while they are good alerts, you're looking for this reload zone, okay? If you hit it in the reload zone, you made money. Why? Because it just went up after that, right? And that is following CTE. You want to exit BL +4 or higher. And look, what do we get? You can see it down here at the bottom. You are $5.67 above the blue. Everything worked. Everything worked. We're going to change this text from bull exit or reload to bull exit, then reload. And all that means is the first time you hit this zone, right? You want to exit. You want to take your profit, let it run. It's never just going to go straight up. We wish. But when it pulls back, this is where you want to reload. And that means buy calls. We wish we had an alert right here. Wall Street missed it, but following the system could have absolutely crushed it. You're looking at 1 strike nukes. You know, this is almost a 1 strike nuke. KTR here, boom, 16 minutes, 129%. So like the important thing, this is up 1, 2, 3. Like, this is super bullish. We love it. We absolutely love it. But you need to recognize when this comes in, that price just moved up. This is super late. If you use KTR, which is where this alert wins when it draws down, boom. And you'll notice the historical win rate on this, 23.08%. But as soon as you pull back under the strike, and this is, +4 to +5, 50%. And you get it in 16 minutes. Beautiful. Absolutely phenomenal. That's Q. Let's go look at IWM. IWMs, this is textbook, people. So bulls, same thing. Blue line to +2, check right here, 10:30. Volume super high. What happens? Well, let's turn off CTE. You get a bull swing right here. Oh, that win rate historically is bad. That is nasty. But it crushes it today because it follows what? Check trade exit, bulls BL to +2. If you watched yesterday's video, the one thing brought up, we'll say it again. This is an up move. If you pull back to the blue line and do not nuke below it, it is super, super bullish. And this was obviously a perfect entry. It had every opportunity. What is this? 11:14 to 11:29. Had every chance to break below the blue, hit this 222 strike. It never does. And that is a perfect trade because you're getting 1, 2, 2 strikes. Beautiful. And that's following the system. Check trade exit. You're looking for bulls only. They win 191%. Go over to SPY. Bulls BL to +2 or after 1+ strike nuke. So when this comes in, okay, 10:30, this is an up move. And I mean, you can take these, but just know, like, hey, exit. It says exit to runners right here because we're nervous that the move is not going to continue. What happens? What pulls back and price actually goes slightly below this reload zone. But at the same time, right? What's important here? Check trade exit says bulls BL to +2. Okay, you could have taken this one, lost. That's fine. But you're coming back, right? You're coming back for KTR and you're coming back for this alert right here. That's a 200% max gain, 110% buying and holding till the end. Slightly below the reload zone, but the emphasis here, and something we said in Discord today, if you can just burn into your brain that, hey, when it's an up move, I'm looking to follow it up higher, or if it's down move, I'm looking to take it back lower. And 3, if you don't break below the blue right here, I mean, this doesn't pass 600, which emotionally is a very strong number. We bounce. Emotionally, psychologically, whatever you want to call it. You win here following check trade exit, and you win on IWM following check trade exit, right? Both of them, bang, bang. Be here 10:30 in the morning, Eastern time. That's how you crush it. Wish you got it here on Q, but it's like you could have traded it on your own. Swings, goes right to the bottom of the reload. Bam. So recapping everything in a short period of time. 1, rigged is the ultimate options trading system for intraday zero DTE trading. And 2, you don't really have to worry about the pre-market. It's just meant to mess with people emotionally. They see hot CPI. Oh my gosh, we're already down. Sell everything. It's over. They close the entire gap. 3, volume. That's probably number 1, but we're going to call it number 3. When it's low, you're starting at 58% here. Price action, not great. Even worse on the 10th. That's just abysmal. If you don't see any on fire up here, I don't even watch anime, don't even know what this is, but I think it looks cool. If this isn't going crazy, it's going to be a tough session to trade. The robots are in control. Don't even do it. 3rd, finally, last thing, most importantly, check trade exit. Like, we know that statistically when you're up right here, we normally close higher. But we're up high, we want to pull back, and this is telling you, hey, Wall Street is betting $261,000 in option flow that expires in a few hours that the price is going to go up. You get the pullback, you take it, you win. That's what rigged is about. Beautiful, beautiful session today. And it all starts opening with high volume. Have a great day. Shout out to all the new people. Let's keep crushing it.